Hi everyone, today we are going to install Visual Studio Code in Ubuntu operating system. For that we need to search VSCODE download in a browser, click search and then click on the first option. We are in Visual Studio Code website and we need to select the Linux operating system, and as we need installer for Ubuntu we will click the dev option, .dev. So click, but I have already downloaded, so I will cancel, close. So here I have the downloader. I will right click and open in terminal this folder and then use ls command to check whatever files and folders we have here. First of all, we will need the GDB program. If you do not have the program, please install the program using this command, sudo apt install gdb. Click enter and use your password. It is already installed in my case. Now we need to install the actual program. There are two ways you can use this graphical installer. Right click and open with gdb package installer. It is opening. It says the software is already available in the software channel, but we don't need this for now. Now you can click install package, put your password. It is now installing. Installation complete. I will search it. So let us check if we have this program. Click start and type VSCODE. You see the blue color, this one we have installed. Now I will show you the second way. For that I will uninstall it. So remove package. So it has been uninstalled. So click start and search for VSCODE, and you see the blue color VSCODE is not found. And now I will close the graphical installer. Let us get back into the terminal. Let us copy the name of the installer and type sudo gdb and the file name and click enter. Now type small letter y and click enter. The program is installing. Installation done. Let us search VSCODE. So you see VSCODE is installed. If I click it, we have got the VSCODE. April 2023. That is all for today. Thank you everyone. See you again.